Now, many families are facing issues finding affordable childcare, especially during the pandemic. But new legislation and federal funding could change that.
10 News reporter Annie Schroeder is live tonight. So, Annie, there are new efforts to help thousands of families across our region.
Well, John and Lindsay, as the country starts to reopen, parents are heading back to work, and experts expect an increase in need for childcare. But now new funding on a state and federal level is working to make sure those who need it can access it.
Many families have to decide sometimes whether they're going to pay for childcare or if they're going to put food on the table.
Working with families to find affordable childcare in the Roanoke Valley is something United Way has done for years. But 2020 brought an entirely new set of challenges the nonprofit hadn't seen before.
There was a core group of people that still needed childcare, and we found it woefully lacking in our community.
Roughly 40% of households in the Roanoke Valley struggled financially before the pandemic even started. So new statewide legislation signed Wednesday is aiming to change that.
We're launching a pilot program to include 3-year-olds in our state preschool programs, and we're dedicating $8 million to increase pay equity for early childhood educators in day homes and childhood settings.
That, combined with a new subsidized child care program announced earlier this year, means thousands of Virginians can get the help they need.
A family of 4 can make almost $90,000 and still qualify for additional support to pay for child care.
Still, staff say access to child care won't happen overnight for everyone, but it is encouraging to see efforts on every level to make it a priority.
It's this lose-lose situation until these resources do become available. And now that they're available, we're going to encourage and connect families the best way that we can.
Now, President Joe Biden is expected to announce a $1.8 trillion plan later tonight during his congressional address, which would also include additional funding for childcare. Live in Roanoke tonight, Annie Schroeder, 10 News, working for you.